What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTubers? So this is the 18
Fucking 20th fucking Honda.
18 Honda Accord 1.5 turbo that had an injector circuit code. This is one of the engines that had low coolant and carbon on the valves. When Jude pulled the intake from us doing our induction service, you could see how clean the valve stems and the valves were on the backside, but the intake walls were a little crusty, but we don't care about the intake walls because that's not causing a misfire. So Jude is replacing them with OEM Honda injectors, and I just wanted to see what the tips look like here. This is what's inside the combustion chamber. Man, look at that. This one's completely funky. Funkified. So it don't take much to foul these injectors, that's for sure. Ridiculous. So he's gonna get the new injectors in, we're gonna get the engine hot, we're gonna give it an extra little cleanage while it's here, and there's nothing you can do about this unless they put a catch can system on it, and I don't know if this customer wants to pay that. I mean, that ain't free, and it's extra work, and then that has to be maintained. So I don't have an answer for this other than
Moral of the story?
more maintenance.
Don't buy a Honda.
Don't buy a Honda.